Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel English Destination. Today I have come up with vocabs related to household chores. You will come across many spellings, meanings with proper context. So it is going to be very interesting. So don't miss this video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started.
Sunday today, so I have come to play with you. Let's play. Sorry dear, I cannot play with you. But why? My mother is not at home. So, I will have to complete my household chores. Will you come to play after finishing all this? Definitely. Then I will help you. I would be grateful to you. What should I do first? This place is very messy. So first, start with it. Tidy up the place. Okay. The bed. Now take rest for a while. Till then, I will do dusting and grooming. Now I am very tired. I will take some rest. Yes, you are looking tired. Take a nap. You will feel better. Yes, you are right. I will take a nap. Pari, now I am feeling better. Now I am ready for the next task. Let me do mopping. in the dishes. Okay. Will you please water the plants? Why not? It's my favorite activity. Now your work is done. Do whatever you want to do. Rest of the things I will finish. Okay. Angel, what are you doing? I am doing the laundry. You are taking too much time. I am getting bored. I am coming. Let me hang out the clothes to dry. Hurry up. Let me pick and fold them. It's too late now. Let's play. Wash your face and put on cream. Ouch! I hurt myself. Show me your nails. Clip your nails. Okay. Fine. Now file your nails. Okay. Let's play something. It's too late. My mummy must be waiting for me. Thanks a lot for your help. My pleasure. Bye, Angel. See you tomorrow. Bye, Pari.
So friends, hope you enjoyed this session. We are meeting soon. Till then, keep watching, keep liking, keep sharing and keep subscribing. Bye for now.